Hello. So let's talk about the level 3 beauty loop for February. This is it here. Haven't opened it up yet. Very keen to see what's inside it. Let's get it open. So guys, the Mecca Beauty Loop 3 is a product that you will receive for free quarterly, depending on how much you spend at the Mecca store. Now it is based on the amount of money that you spend, so there are 4 levels, level 1 through to 4, and 4 being the highest. So I've been a level 3 Beauty Loop member for a few years now, or more than a few years, and you know, sometimes it's great what you get in there and sometimes it's not so great. So I'm hoping this year, or this, you know, the first beauty loop of the year, I think it's the first beauty loop of the year, I could be wrong, but it's February, so yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys are all well. Enough babbling on. The first thing that we have got in here is, what's this thing? Okay guys, I need to put my glasses on because honestly I cannot see, and this thing is way too bright. All right, there we go. Sweat powder. Okay, 7-gram sachet oral powder, formulated supplementary sports blend. Okay, I believe this would be like a electrolyte supplement. There's a card that comes with it. Sweat powder made for bodies that break a sweat. A replenishing electrolyte tonic that helps put back what sweat takes out. Formulated with an optimal blend of sodium and potassium chloride, vitamin B and C, and a natural orange flavor to hydrate and restore. Drink after exercise, travel, and when you're in need of a hydration boost. Australian made and naturally derived kit makes modern formulas for all skin kind. Build your kit with essentials that support your well-being, and this is by the brand called Kits. So it's Kit, and there you go. So we'll give that a try at some point. Really good for keeping your electrolytes in check, and if you do a lot of walking and sweating and running and stuff, something like this is great to sort of put in your water, and little sachet comes in handy. Alright, so we'll give that a try at some point. What's this here? Airbrush setting spray by Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, I've never tried the setting spray by Charlotte Tilbury because it's always been such a rort. It's so expensive, but this is the little mini size. I'm very happy to have received this. I mean, I don't really rely and use setting sprays much because I find that my foundation sort of tends to stick around for quite a while, and at the moment I'm actually trialing a product by Soul Sister, which, sorry, you cannot see because the resolution, or not the resolution, but the lighting. I've got that on my face, I've got the blush, I've got the foundation on, and it's not a impulse buy, but it sort of is. It's Australian made. Soul Sister Butter Block foundation, and this one here is the Butter Balm, which is a cheek tint, and actually it is for lips and cheek. Oh, let me see. Mineral lip and cheek balm. You know what, let's put some on. I mean, I did a video on this just before and I didn't actually realize that it was for the lips, and I was saying that I didn't know if it was good to put an SPF 50 product on the lips. Oh yeah, pretty neutral color. But anyway guys, back to the setting spray. I'm kind of happy that I've received something like this, because this product full size is probably about, I don't know, $50 to $70. It's quite an expensive product. So the fact that they've given us a little mini version of the setting spray, which is supposed to keep your makeup at bay and budge proof and all that sort of stuff, is quite nice. So happy to have received that. What's this? Cloud Crush by Too Faced, whipped lip and cheek color in the shade Super Candy Clouds. So that's it there. little tube. And, oh, little mini lip and cheek balm. Let's have a little swipe of that. Oh yeah, that's nice, bright pink. So, little cute mini version of this, and let's just see what it says. Whipped lip and cheek color, a cloud-like kiss of color for lips and cheeks. So that's quite nice. It says it's infused with hyaluronic oil, hydrating formula, blurred soft focus finish, and yeah, it's available in 8 shades. So that's quite nice. Might try that at some point. Oh, okay. Laura Mercier product. The blush color infusion. One of my favorite formulas in a blush, guys, is Laura Mercier, and I have the shade Fresco, the full size one. I absolutely love it. But what's this shade? Rose. Okay, and it's only a little mini version of it. How nice is that? Let's, oh, it's such a smooth formula. I love it. Okay, let's put it here. Yeah. It's like the same color as my lips, isn't it? Very, very similar to that, but rose is your neutral rose color. So I'll give that a try on my cheeks at some point as well. What else do we have in this? The Auto Correct by Sunday Riley, a brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. So that's like a little sample of their contouring cream. Instantly delivers a lifted and depuffed look whilst reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. So we shall give that a whirl. And yeah, that's pretty much what you get in the kit, guys. So not bad for a Beauty Loop free gift. Let me know what you got in your sample for the Beauty Loop. I would say that each Beauty Loop would be the same. I think you'd be getting the same products. I don't know, maybe not. I'd like to know what you got in your level 1, 2 and 4 Beauty Loop. Are you happy with it? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. It's free and I'd love to have you here. On that note, I shall see you in my next video. Have a lovely rest of the weekend or week, wherever you are. Bye for now.